So this is the website that you'll have by the end of this project. Let me scroll through quickly to show how is it different. This is actually a video. As I'm scrolling, you might see the scrubbing is happening in a performant way. So you learn the tactics of how to include multimodal assets like video, but make it interactive with taste skills. Even here, this is not a normal marquee text animation marquee. How do you include these kinds of text animations effects? We will also learn how do you create these kinds of multimodal assets and include tech skills like GSAP animation libraries, 3.js as part of your creative workflow for taste building. This all has been built within Claude Code, so you'll also learn how do you use Claude, how do you enable and leverage Claude Code skills to bring these kinds of interactivity to bring the differences in your vibe coding development. This is another example of, as I'm scrolling, you can see smoothly how the text is becoming from blur to very clear. These are all again tied to the taste building. It's not just any kind of text showcase, but having that kind of interaction models. Here, one of the interesting things is beyond just interactions. These are SVG's icons created within Claude Code itself. And we learn how do you create your own personal theme and style SVG icons within Claude and add these kinds of interactions then to that. And finally, there are more examples like these, but the final sections also has this fun kind of globe. You learn how to create it as part of the taste building skill. So this is very interactive map using some of the JavaScripts that you can enable, but also you can add on by showing different types of data across the globes. It is very popular. We'll know where it's being used, but these are the kinds of things we'll start learning. How do you bring that kind of mindsets as part of the workflow? So let's get started to see how do you bring this kind of fun interactive website for your own project.